Hello, everyone. I am Dr. Michael Canuel, and I am the CEO of Learn, and this is my September video capsule for the English educational community of Quebec. As you can tell, this is an AI-generated video taken from an image of me taken at the Montreal Grand Prix last June. Let me start by welcoming everyone back from their summer vacation, which I hope was both fun and restorative. The new school year looks like it will be full of new challenges, which always makes things exciting and interesting for us all. The past school year for Learn was filled with many successes, ranging from our tutorial program in summer school to our CLC conference and countless workshops for teachers. What I want to highlight is that this is our 20th year of operation, and during the year, we will take a nostalgic look back on our many accomplishments and how we have contributed in our way to student success. So stay tuned for those flashbacks. I also want to mention that as of December 31 of this year, I will be resigning and moving on to new and different challenges. It is time for a new CEO, a breath of fresh air, and a new vision. I will have more to say on this in the coming videos, but in the meantime, I hope you all have a great start to the school year and wish you well.